Here's how to get Instagram Plus features. First, you want to launch open the Instagram app on your device. Make sure to log into your account. Now you want to tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. Then tap on the three lines at the top right corner of your screen. This should open up your settings and activity page. Now tap on Account Center. Here find the option of subscriptions, tap on that. You should be able to find the option of Instagram Plus. Go ahead and select that. Now to get Instagram Plus features, you have to purchase this. So go ahead and tap on the Start Your Free Month option. Now select your payment method, then complete the payment. Once you have been subscribed to Instagram Plus, you will get all the features of Instagram Plus. Instagram Plus is an official premium monthly subscription from Meta designed for everyday users. It costs about $4 to $5 per month, and it will unlock exclusive storytelling tools, profile customization, and enhanced viewing privacy. You will get features such as extended stories and spotlight, anonymous browsing, advanced insights, audience control, enhanced reactions, and customization. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.